I read a book called The Perks of Being a Wallflower, and I really love that one because of that book, I can understand why some people say books are our friends, and some people say books are my friend. And when people said those things, I couldn't understand why they say that. Because for me, though I read many books, I couldn't say those are my friend, though they gave me some insightful knowledge and some stories that I couldn't forget and I love. Uh, I couldn't say that my friends, but the book that I read, this, I can say that that's my friend because of how I could connect with the main character, and I can see myself in his character. And I'm not gonna mention why and what. And if you read that, you will know what that is about. And in my times of depression, it healed me. It it made me know that I'm not alone, and it made me realize that uh, there's someone's someone's like me, and that make me feel uh, I I don't know how to say that, but it healed me.